What's up, Peak Timers? 2019 has been an amazing year for Hot Wheels releases, and we've got 50 new cars to open up and race down the track. Let's start it off with the Nissan Fairlady Z, a brand new yellow recolor of this. Let's go ahead and pop it open. This one is from the Nissan series, and there it is. We've seen lots of different recolors of this casting, but I think it's a great looking casting, and you guys know me, I love yellow, so yellow with the black looks great. All right, let's go on to the next one. Next one we have is the Volkswagen T2 pickup truck. They do make a supercharger hunt variation of this. This is just the regular mainline variation though from the Volkswagen series. And we have seen many different colors of this one as well in the previous year's cases. And there it is. This is kind of like a brownish gold color, but definitely looks really cool. Check out those gold wheels on there. We've got the engine in the back and then the nice flatbed, and we can even maybe put on the Nissan up here. There we go, there we go. No, maybe not, maybe not. All right, we'll put those ones aside. Let's go on to the next one here. Next one we've got is the brand new color variation of the twin mill. Wow, love this, love this, love the color variation. And this one is a treasure hunt. You can see the treasure hunt logo right on there. There we go, there we go. Beautiful looking casting. All right, let's go ahead and pop this one open. Ooh, this one's just not being friendly. There it is, there it is. We got it open, we got it open. Check this one out. Gorgeous, gorgeous colorway on this one. Obviously, twin mill having the twin engines on there. Very, very cool looking casting. All right, we'll throw that one aside. Next up, we've got the Honda City Turbo 2. We've got a new color variation in this blue color. We've seen a white one and a black one before, and now we've got this blue. Let's go ahead and pop it open from the Nightburners series. And this one, when it originally came out, I was super excited for, and it's still a neat casting, especially in this new recolored blue. Check it out, Turbo 2. Got those fancy wheels on there. Pretty basic from the front end, but still cool nonetheless. All right, let's go ahead to the next one we've got is Track Manga. Track Manga in a new pink color variation, and this one is from the Speed Blur series. Let's go ahead and pop it open. There is Track Manga. Track Manga white interior, convertible style, and obviously we've got the big spoiler on there, the crazy body kit. That's what all these Track Mangas were like. We've seen a couple different variations of Track Manga, but definitely an interesting casting to say the least. All right, we'll go on to the next one. Next one we've got is the Musclebound, and this one is very similar of a casting to the Nissan 2000 GTR. A lot of people have been comparing that to it, and a lot of people saying that Hot Wheels just kind of moved the casting around, retooled it a little bit, and kind of made it the same car, but I think the Musclebound is such a cool looking casting. It's definitely different from the front, definitely looks a lot more angry. It's like its own variation muscle car, and I love this camo look on it. This is kind of the new age camo look that they're putting on a lot of cars. A lot of other YouTubers in their real cars are doing this type of camo look, and I really like it. I enjoy it, I enjoy it. Very cool casting. All right, we'll put that one down aside. Next one up we've got is the Dodge Charger stock car. Dodge Charger stock car. There it is, Mopar for all you stock car fans. Hot Wheels Race Day series. Pop this one open. This one's a brand new casting as well. There we go, there we go. Check it out, Mopar on the side. We've got the nice wheels on there with the colored lip, and check out all of the sponsors on there. I mean, that's actually pretty crazy that Hot Wheels can put all those sponsors on there and sell this car. They actually have to pay licensing to get those sponsors. So give them credit for making this as accurate as possible by getting all those sponsors on this one. Check out the big Mopar logo right down there on the hood. All right, we'll put this one aside. Let's go ahead and pop this one open right here. We've got a Porsche Panamera Police. So it's a police variation from the Hot Wheels Rescue series. Let's go ahead and open this one up. And if you're a Porsche fan like myself, then this one is definitely a cool casting to have. Check it out. HWPD, Hot Wheels Police Department on there. That nice blue hood on there, Police. And I think this is, it's Italian or French. I'm not 100% sure. I think it's French, possibly, as far as the actual police. Let me know in the comments down below which police variation this one is from, which country it's from. But cool casting. We'll find out if it's good down the track. All right, next one. Ooh, I've been looking forward to this recolor. The 2016 Mercedes AMG GT3. Check it out in this yellow. We've seen this one in 2 or 3 other different color variations, and I really like this casting. Very cool. Hot Wheels Race Day series, and you can find most of these cars are coming from the C and D case. So check it out if you're wanting any of these castings. There's a couple other ones. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Love that. Love the big wing on there. Oh, check out the big AMG. I didn't even notice that when I was looking at it inside the packaging. Very, very cool. It's got to be one of my favorites so far. Ooh, I wish we had a little bit more on the tampos on the front. Maybe give that light and the Mercedes logo a little bit. But other than that, black wheels, yellow lip. Very awesome. Love this casting. Probably my favorite so far. Next up, we've got the Porsche 918 Spyder. Another recolor of the actual casting, not just the concept variation. So this is our third color variation of this one. And it's kind of like a matte black. It's hard to say what it is. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. All right, so it's kind of a matte black, but it's got like a gloss over it. So it's almost like a satin finish. It definitely feels different. It doesn't feel matte. It's got a more smoother finish to it. I like this one. Actually, a lot better once you open it up out of the packaging. Check out great work on the tampos on the front of it. The number 4. I don't know the significance of that number 4, but wow. Okay, I'm a little bit more impressed with this casting once I open it up. I wasn't as excited to see it in package, but definitely it is a good one. All right, we'll put that one down. And next up, we have a brand new casting, the 87 Jeepster Commando. Check it out, Jeepster Commando. Oh, I said 87, it's 67. Holy moly, I'm 20 years off. All right, Hot Wheels, Hot Trucks. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, Jeepster. Get out of here, Jeepster. Get out of the packaging. Oh, yes, this one. Wow, look at that. The sunroof on there. That's so awesome. Oh, it's even got a bike on the back. I did not notice that. Wow. I totally did not see that in the packaging. Check out that motorbike on the back. That is so cool. I have not seen something like that for a while. Check it out from the front. Definitely good detail. And I don't know what Carl Motors is. I don't know the significance of that, but wow, this is a cool casting. Impressive. Another casting that in the box, maybe not as exciting, but once you open up the packaging, you can see the details up close. Definitely an awesome casting. All right, we'll put that one aside. Next one up. Oh, the Jeepster's dropping. The Jeepster's dropping. We'll have to pick it up. There we go. The Jeepster's safe. No damage to the Jeepster. We'll put him back down here on the side. All right. Next up, we've got the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. This is our first recolor of it. We saw it in the kind of maroonish red color previously, but gotta love this color. This is an awesome one. Blue with, check it out. Check out on the sides, that is awesome. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay. Very cool. Love the wheels, love the tire look on there. Yes, this is a good one. Impressive, so many impressive castings so far for 2019. All right, next up we've got the 2016 Cadillac ATSV R. This is our third recolor of it. We had one previously in black and we had a red one. Now we've got the white one. And this is a good popular casting as well. The ATSV R, check it out. It's almost like BMW like coloring on there. The white and the red and the bluish type of thing. Cadillac, although red, white, and blue, that is the good old American colors. So gotta give them credit for that. There it is from the front, looks good. Nice work on the actual grille. Good detail, good tampo work on there as well. This is a good one. It's even got the blacked out wheels with the red chrome lip. A little bit different, but it gives some good contrast to this car. Not as much detail on the back. The spoiler does so look awesome. I love it. All right, we'll put that one down. And next up we've got is the Guaczilla 2017 Nissan GTR Guaczilla Tanner Fox Edition. We've opened this one up previously. I got another one though. I want to open up another one. I want to kind of have a couple different variations of it. So there we go. We've got it from the Speed Blur series. And this one, Nissan GTR, ever so popular. And the paint job on this one, just check out the blended green and gray paint. That is amazing. That is very cool work by Hot Wheels to do that. And check it out, good detail on the front of it as well. Amazing looking casting. All right, we'll put that one aside. And last but not least, before we get to our race, is the 69 Dodge Charger 500. And this is from the Rod Squad series, number 9 of 10. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. Looks like a Fast and Furious car if you ask me, but definitely looks awesome. I love this look to it. Even on the back, it's nice and blacked out, just a little bit of red markings on there, but a fantastic looking model. Oh, I didn't even notice. It's even got this nice, cool kind of carbon front end. Very, very nice. Oh, yes, yes, yes. This one is definitely impressive as well. All right, guys, let's head on over to the track and we will find out which one of them is the fastest. All right, guys, we're at the track. We've got our first 5 cars all lined up and ready to go, and we've got our remaining 2 other races there. We'll take the winner from each of the 3 races and race them in a one winner takes all at the end. Let's find out who the first car is to move on. Unfortunately, the Chevy Trail Boss is a little bit wide. I don't know if it's gonna be able to go down the whole track. We'll find out. There's our first 5 cars. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Yep, there's our Trail Boss at the starting line. That's about how far it got right there. Poor Trail Boss. And it's the Jeepster Commando that takes the win in race number 1 to move on to our finals. But we're all set for race number 2. There's our race number 2 cars. Who do you think is gonna win this one? Let me know in the comments down below, but let's find out right now. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Dodge Charger stock car that takes the win in race number 2 to move on to our finals. And we are set for our 3rd deciding race. We've got a fantastic lineup of brand new 2019 Hot Wheels. Let's find out who the fastest is and who's gonna move on to face the Jeep and the stock car. On your mark, get set, go! And it is the Cadillac ATSV R in white that takes the win in race number 3. And there is our finals right there. Cadillac versus the Mopar versus the Jeep. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Definitely an interesting lineup for our final 3. Let's find out who the fastest is. On your mark, get set, go! A very close final race, but there can only be one winner, and it is our Mopar stock car. There it is, beating out all the other 2019 brand new Hot Wheels cars. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these cars was your favorite, and maybe we'll see it racing in the future. Thanks a lot for watching this one, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye. Thanks, Big Timers, for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and throw this video a like. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.